First of all, Cocaine Bear is a ridiculous premise, a ridiculous movie. It's a lot of fun.
Wonderful.
If you want something serious, just steer away.
Yeah.
But the trailer itself got a lot of buzz when it came out because everyone was like, "What the hell is this a real movie?" Like people thought it was something that The Onion created. It's about a bear on cocaine. The title is exactly what it is.
But isn't it based on a true thing where a guy threw cocaine out of a plane?
There is a real situation where all this cocaine from the cartel was lost in the woods, and a bear found it and ate it, and then went into cardiac arrest and died. But in our version, the bear
He's an addict.
He becomes an addict.
Much like life, it's
exactly.
He's looking for Studio 54 the whole time, right?
But so the trailer came out, and it was this very buzzy thing, and I tend to think that the trailer actually got more attention than the movie itself. But there was all these think pieces on the trailer, and like people were dissecting it, and I remember reading this one that was like, Cocaine Bear has everything: 80s fashion, Kerry Russell, Margot Martindale is a park ranger, Jesse Tyler Ferguson in a fat suit. Wasn't wearing a fat suit. And as I explained to you, it was in the middle of the pandemic, and I was not I was just living and not going to the gym, and I was slightly heavier, yes. And then I was also wearing harnesses because I did my own stunts.
Yes. So that was the other question. Whoa. So in the trailer, you can see Jesse. A young kid is up a tree to avoid the bear.
Yeah.
And Jesse climbs a tree also very high.
Yes.
Were you really that high in the tree?
It was very high. It was extremely high, and I was on wires, and they had a stunt double for me, but I was really wanting to do the stunts myself. And because like, when do I get to do this? I don't get to do stuff like that. Scale buildings.
He's scared of heights. I'm scared of heights.
I am too, but I was like, I'm going to do it. I felt very safe. But let me tell you what, when I was up there in rehearsal, because I had a whole day of rehearsal first, I'm all the way up in this tree. I'm very, very high up. Like if I fell, I would be dead for sure. They start putting down mattresses at the bottom of the tree. And I was like, that actually makes me more nervous. That makes me more nervous because that means like something could go wrong. And I know that mattress is not going to save my life if I fall off this tree. I'm going to bounce off that and hit that other rock that I see right there.
Miss the mattress.
Cover the rock. Like I really was like, please don't put the mattresses down.
That's terrific.
Please just don't let me fall.
But you had a harness.
I had a harness
that was tied to something. So if you fell, you're hanging there.
I don't know all the details, but I was told I was very safe. I didn't feel unsafe. I felt very taken care of.
And it's a funny, go look at the trailer.
By the way, I bailed on a stunt just like that.
Did you really?
I was in Rocky and Bullwinkle, and they didn't tell me this. They never asked. You have a problem with heights. And the next thing I know, I'm doing a shot on the outside walkway of a water tower. So they took the side of the water tower off so they could get a camera inside and shoot out. And that was fine because I was sitting inside the water tower. But then they closed it off, and now I'm on the little walkway, and I'm chained to this thing. I can't fall. I could be unconscious. I'm not falling off this thing. And I'm holding the stunt coordinator's leg. And now they have to get the shot. And he goes, I got to walk away. Are you okay? And I went, no, I'm not. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. And I don't think I'm going to be able to let you walk away. And I can stay here. I'm not going to be acting. There's going to be no acting. I am petrified, and no one asked me to do it. I signed nothing.
I would pay to hear what was being said between.
I'm sure.
Jason's afraid. Jason's afraid. We're getting word that Jason's afraid.
They sent my stunt double up and had to CGI my face onto the guy.
God.
I couldn't do it. And I've done heights, but I was prepared for them. They blindsided me, and I went, I can't do this.